Today on Engineering Newswire, we're raising cage-free robots, flying SkyOrbiters in Siberia, and playing in the water with soft, cone-shaped silicone. Come on, it's a robot octopus!
Engineers are always turning to nature for inspiration. Not quite like that. More like this. And now, the most recent animal to be reincarnated in robotic form is the octopus. The Octobot is an 8-arm compliant robot that moves by combining various patterns of sculling movements of the arms and web. It can reach speeds of up to 0.5 body lengths per second, or about 180 millimeters per second, achieving propulsive forces of up to 10.5 newtons. The researchers who presented their findings at the IEEE RSJ International Conference on Intelligent Robots and Systems on September 15th have demonstrated 3 models. The first robot prototype was built with rigid plastic legs, the second with silicone was unable to increase speed substantially, so the third and most recent prototype uses both silicone arms and an attached web to help gain further momentum. So what animal will engineers look to next? I'm waiting on a duck.
The world of collaborative robots came alive at IMTS 2014 when the 6-day-long International Technology Marathon took over McCormick Place in Chicago. What stood out to me was Danish robot manufacturer Universal Robotics, which was showing off its 3rd generation of collaborative UR5 and UR10 robot arms. Trick is, they didn't have the traditional barrier protecting the public from the work cell, which is saying something not only about the robot's safety, but the company's faith in fellow man. You see how some of these guys handle merchandise? Bonkers. Bonkers! The exhibit proved how cageless robots could create a space savings of more than 300%. It also showed how the integration of 8 new adjustable safety rated functions, as well as true absolute encoders, created a robot that is able to adapt to advanced safety settings specific to each application. And the industry's integrating collaborative robots is expanding beyond machine tooling. The UR5 recently entered the art scene as the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City equipped one bot with light projectors and video cameras for a fashion exhibit. And you can even catch another performing surgery on Halle Berry in the new CBS show Extent. Share the screen with Miss Berry? Yeah, please.
If you're brave enough to trek through the Siberian wilderness or the jungles of the Amazon, you're probably smart enough to know that your smartphone won't provide internet access to help you out if you get lost. Now let's imagine there was a way to provide internet access to every portion of the globe. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, that dream might actually become a reality thanks to the Portuguese company Quarkson, who plans to use unmanned aerial vehicles to transmit internet access to every inch of the planet. These unmanned vehicles, known as SkyOrbiters, are capable of flying for extremely long periods of time without landing or refueling. The smallest UAV, the SkyOrbiter LA-25, is designed for commercial and government applications and operates 24/7 at an altitude of about 3,500 meters. The vehicle has a 25-meter wingspan and can operate for 2 weeks straight, covering more than 42,000 kilometers before it has to refuel. The largest member of the fleet, the SkyOrbiter HA-75, operates at 22,000 meters with a 75-meter wingspan, and it can fly for 5 years, covering 5 million kilometers without stopping. The low-altitude UAVs will mainly be powered by fossil fuels, but the higher-altitude vehicles will be powered by a solar array on its wings and body. Quarkson is still raising funds for this gigantic project, so it's likely that we won't see this dream become a reality for many years to come. But seriously, how cool would it be to check your emails in the Siberian wilderness?
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in the next episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm David Manti, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.